Hello everyone, my name is Catherine Lins, and this is my presentation titled Meclizine Hydrochloride as a Potential Effector of Glycogen Phosphorylase B. Glycogen phosphorylase is an enzyme that breaks down glycogen, which is a polymer of glucose, into individual glucose monomers. Glycogen phosphorylase comes in two forms, the activated and phosphorylated form, called glycogen phosphorylase A, and the inactive unphosphorylated form, called glycogen phosphorylase B, which is seen here in figure A. The mechanism in which glycogen phosphorylase cleaves glycogen is seen here in figure B, where the enzyme cleaves the linear chain of glycogen at its non-reducing end, highlighted in orange. As seen in figure C and D, meclizine is an over-the-counter drug that is used to combat motion sickness. It sometimes makes an individual feel sleepy, which can affect their metabolism. I hypothesized that since meclizine has an anticholinergic effect, meaning that by blocking acetylcholine, it could potentially impact insulin secretion, we could see meclizine being an activator or an inhibitor of glycogen phosphorylase to maintain blood glucose levels. We performed enzyme kinetics to test this hypothesis. The rate of glycogen phosphorylase activity was measured by the rate of inorganic phosphate formed from glucose 1-phosphate. This reacted with molybdate ions in our stopping solution. By stopping our enzyme assays at various times and concentrations, we could quantify the activity of glycogen phosphorylase using UV-Vis spectroscopy. We used a known activator of glycogen phosphorylase B, AMP, to confirm the effects of nicotinamide, a known inhibitor of glycogen phosphorylase. This bottom graph here confirms that nicotinamide is an inhibitor of glycogen phosphorylase. And then this top graph was used to determine what type of effector meclizine was. Using Michaelis-Menten enzyme kinetics, it was concluded that meclizine was neither an inhibitor nor an activator. This is seen by the relatively similar and insignificant changes in Km and Vmax values, despite changing concentrations for both the potential effector and AMP. I would like to conclude my poster presentation by mentioning that I chose a bottle of meclizine that had been in my cabinet for a while. During this study, I discovered that this meclizine had expired over 5 years ago, which is the most likely reason for the results that I had gotten in this experiment. Thank you all for listening.